Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this lesson we are going to solve a problem wherein we have to check whether the input number is a Harshad number or not. So what is a Harshad number? That is the first question probably in your mind. So Harshad number is a positive number which is evenly divisible by sum of its own digits. What that means is, if we are given a number 10, its digits are 1 and 0. On adding them we get 1. Now 10 is evenly divisible by 1 because we are not getting any remainder out of this division. So this is a Harshad number. Another example is 18. Its digits are 1 and 8. On adding them we are getting 9. Now if you will try to divide 18 by 9, you will get 2, stating that 18 is evenly divisible by sum of its own digits. So it is a Harshad number. Similar examples are 27 and 54, whereas 11 is not a Harshad number. Sum of its digits results as 2, and if you try to divide 11 by 2, you will get 5 with the remainder 1. Now what that means is, if you try to divide 11 by 2, you will get 1 as a remainder. So this is something which I am talking over here. This means 11 is not evenly divisible by 2. Another example is 14, which is also not evenly divisible by sum of its own digit. So both of these numbers are not Harshad number. Keeping this thing in mind, what we understand is we have to sum the digits of its own number. Therefore, all single digit numbers that are positive are Harshad number. Why? Because if you take an example of 4, we have only single digit over here. So sum of its own digit is 4, and you can divide 4 by 4 evenly. The result is going to be 1. So all positive single digit numbers are Harshad numbers. In order to solve this problem, we have to take 2 steps. The first step is we have to perform summation of the digits of the number. The second step is we have to check whether the remainder of the division operation is 0 or not. So remainder should always be 0. If it is, then that number is Harshad number. I'm going to write down the code in the next code cell. The very first thing is I'm going to take the user input. We'll say that input enter any number. So once the number is taken, we will also define a variable which will hold the summation of the digits of the given number. Initially it will be 0. So in order to iterate through the digits of the number, what we will have to do is, for instance, you have been given a number 1, 2, 3. Its digits are 1, 2 and 3. So what I will do is I will convert this number to the string form. That would be the easiest available solution to us. So we want to solve this problem in best and easiest way. So what I will do is I will say that for I in string of num, and then we can print I just to see what it shows us. I'm going to input 125 and it results as 1, 2 and 5. So I'm going to use this logic in order to solve this problem. Therefore, I will say that summation is equals to or plus equals to I. So once I have obtained the summation of the number, after coming out of the for loop, I will check if num modulus summation is equals to 0. If it is, then it is a Harshad number. So we'll say that num is a Harshad number. If it is not going to return us the evenly divisible result, that is, if we are going to get the remainder, then it is not going to be a Harshad number. Let us execute this code. I'm going to input 12. What it says is unsupported operand. Okay, so the problem over here is that we are iterating through the string, and as a result we are going to get I as a string. Therefore we cannot add number and string. Therefore we will have to typecast it to the integer. Now let us re-execute it. I'm going to input 125. It says that 125 is not a Harshad number, and next time I'm going to input 11 is not a Harshad number. Let us test single digit number. It says that it is a Harshad number. 6 is a Harshad number. And now we will test the number. For instance, we have got the example of 10, 18 and 27. We'll check whether 10 is a Harshad number. Yes, it is. 27 is a Harshad number. So this solves our problem.